Whether you write books, articles, blog posts, newsletters, or focus primarily on speeches, a good story will always add flavor and interest to your piece. When you deliver fact after fact, your book can begin to feel like a lecture to the reader. A story, no matter how serious its topic, can serve as an entertaining way to get your point across. My clients often ask me where they can find unlimited sources of stories. First and probably most engaging are your own stories. These have the additional value of telling the reader something about yourself. Other people's stories, especially family stories, can also interest readers. Facebook is a rich source for stories, either those that engage you, enrage you, or warm your heart. The online news sources like CNN.com and others often have human interest stories. Use stories in your writing to engage your reader and make your points. Be sure to go to patiyer.com for more tips on writing, and subscribe to this YouTube video channel.